What's up, CBS Survivor? My name is Stefanie LeBarre. I'm 25 years old and I'm currently a hospice social worker. By far, this has been one of the most mentally challenging but most rewarding things that I've ever done in my entire life. It's interesting because usually the most challenging things in my life have been the most rewarding, and I definitely think Survivor is going to be that for me. I grew up in a military family with 2 brothers, so I had to be tough to survive. I love being outside, I love hiking, I love trying new things and being adventurous. I've had the privilege to travel the world. I've been to Mexico, I've been to Guatemala where I've spent a lot of time with indigenous people. I found tarantulas in my room, tarantulas the size of rats running across the roads where I slept outside. I've been to Haiti where I had the opportunity to build a home for a family. I've been to Honduras where I volunteered in a house that rescued young girls from sex trafficking. I have been to Romania and worked with the gypsy community. I have backpacked the Philippines. I went spelunking in Sagada in one of the most dangerous caves in the world. I was able to try balut and see a sea snake, which I know are both things that were on Survivor. I am a very competitive person, which is what pushes me to be very physical. Even if I'm not the best, I'm so stubborn, I'm gonna keep on trying until I win. I grew up playing softball. I was in karate, but my main activity was dance. I danced on point, which basically means that I can balance on anything, which I know will definitely be a strength for me in the game, is being able to balance well. Anybody who's a fan of Survivor knows that it's not just a mentally challenging game or a physically challenging game, but it's a socially challenging game. And I'm a social worker. I think my strength in this game is going to be my social game. Not only do I have a baby face so people underestimate me, which is amazing because I can use that to manipulate the situation, but I have a lot of skills that people don't always necessarily have. I have the ability to read a room. I'm really good at reading people's nonverbal cues and picking up on things that maybe other people don't pick up on, which I think are really important skills to have, especially in the game of Survivor, to be able to win. I know when to talk and when to not talk. And we all know that the ones who don't know when to shut up are the ones that usually get themselves in trouble. And the ones who never talk don't win. So I think I have a really great balance, and that'll definitely be my strength in this game. Working in social work, and specifically working in hospice, has taught me that we have one life to live and that we need to take advantage of every opportunity. I will definitely go all out if I get the chance to be on Survivor, because I know that tomorrow isn't guaranteed, and I want to honor my patients and everything that I do, giving this life everything that I've got and doing everything that I want to do. So I can't wait to hear from you guys, because I know I'm going to get the call. I'm excited to be on Survivor. I know I have what it takes to win $1 million. See you soon. Yes, I was a social worker in hospice during a pandemic. I think if I can survive that, I can definitely win Survivor.